Hi guys, Audrey here with Gator Metal Roofing, and today we're in Oak Island and we're speaking with Mr. and Mrs. Gunter. We know that you guys just got a new energy efficient Gator Metal roof. What color did you choose?
It's a light gray. I already had an existing roof over the porch, so I needed something to match up with that.
Nice, well it looks very beautiful. What did you think about your experience with Gator Metal Roofing?
I wasn't able to be here at the time, so my wife came in and took care of all of it. I saw it on TV, we made the call, and it was fast and efficient. I'd recommend y'all to anybody. I just had put a new roof on this house 2 years ago, and I've had damage a couple of times because of the weather around here, so it's time to go with metal. I was tied up, so I let my wife come down and handle it. All the men were courteous. The ladies that met her was very nice. Everything went smooth. I was impressed by everything that went on from the beginning to the end. I was really impressed about how fast they got the job done.
I met them about 9 o'clock and we were accomplished and done by 12.
Wow, that is great. That's awesome.
And they were very courteous guys, respectful guys. They were a wonderful team.
Oh, we love to hear it.
The reason that I chose the metal roofing is it has the lifetime guarantee. When you're at the coast like this, you do have severe hurricanes come through and everything. And I was not able to get people up on the roof to do the jobs. Y'all were Johnny on the spot. Y'all came out, took care of it real fast. I was really impressed, and I mean impressed by the way y'all handled it. I didn't need to be here. She had said they were all courteous, they were kind, they were in, they were out, they cleaned up, everything was just right on the spot. Like I said, I'd recommend Gator Roofing to anybody else that needs a good roof, and I can't be more satisfied.
If you need a good experience, call Gator Roofing.
That's it.
We love to hear it. Thank you guys.
Thank you.